As energy efficiency becomes a top priority for homeowners, Dallas residents are leading the charge by upgrading to energy-efficient doors. Known for their stylish neighborhoods and fluctuating climate, Dallas homeowners are discovering that these modern solutions not only enhance their home's appearance but also deliver a host of practical benefits. From cost savings to environmental impact, let's explore why energy-efficient doors are becoming a must-have upgrade in the Dallas area. The climate challenge. Battling extreme weather. Dallas experiences a wide range of weather conditions, from sweltering summer heat to occasional winter freezes. Traditional doors often lack proper insulation, allowing external temperatures to seep indoors. Energy-efficient doors are designed with advanced materials such as insulated cores, weather stripping, and double or triple glazing that significantly reduce heat transfer. For Dallas residents, this translates to a more consistent indoor temperature year-round. Homeowners can stay cool in the summer and warm during winter, all while reducing the strain on their HVAC systems. Lower energy bills. A smart financial choice. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of energy-efficient doors is lower energy bills. Traditional doors can account for a significant percentage of heat loss or gain in a home. By installing doors that minimize energy leakage, Dallas homeowners can reduce their energy consumption, leading to substantial savings over time. For instance, the Department of Energy estimates that upgrading to energy-efficient doors can save homeowners up to 15% on heating and cooling costs. In a city like Dallas, where utility bills can spike during peak seasons, this upgrade quickly pays for itself. Sustainability matters. A greener Dallas energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's about making environmentally conscious choices. Dallas, like many cities, is working toward greener living standards. Energy-efficient doors help reduce a home's carbon footprint by lowering energy consumption. For eco-conscious Dallas residents, upgrading their doors is a simple yet impactful step toward sustainability. Manufacturers of energy-efficient doors often use eco-friendly materials, further aligning with the goals of homeowners who value environmental stewardship. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Beyond energy savings, energy-efficient doors provide unmatched comfort. Their superior insulation properties prevent drafts and hot spots, creating a more comfortable living environment. Additionally, these doors often feature soundproofing qualities, which is a valuable asset for Dallas residents living in bustling neighborhoods or near highways. With reduced noise and improved temperature control, families can enjoy a quieter, more pleasant home. Boosting curb appeal and property value. Energy-efficient doors don't just perform well, they look great too. Available in a variety of designs, colors, and finishes, these doors can complement any architectural style, from the modern homes of Uptown to the classic charm of Highland Park. Investing in high-quality doors also increases a home's resale value. Prospective buyers in Dallas recognize the appeal of energy-efficient features, making these upgrades a smart move for homeowners looking to sell in the future. Rebates and incentives. Making the upgrade affordable. Dallas residents upgrading to energy-efficient doors can take advantage of various incentives and rebates offered at the state and federal levels. Programs like the Energy Star tax credit help offset the initial investment, making it easier for homeowners to transition to eco-friendly solutions. Local utility companies may also offer rebates for energy-efficient home improvements, further sweetening the deal for Dallas homeowners. A safer, more durable home energy-efficient doors are often made from robust materials such as fiberglass, steel, or engineered wood, offering superior durability and security. They are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, including strong winds and heavy rains, which can occur during Dallas's storm season. Many energy-efficient doors also come with advanced locking mechanisms, enhancing the overall safety of the home. Conclusion: a win-win investment for Dallas homeowners. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors is more than just a trend in Dallas. It's a wise investment that combines comfort, cost savings, and environmental benefits. As the city continues to grow and evolve, homeowners are increasingly choosing solutions that align with modern living standards. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bills, enhance your home's aesthetic appeal, or contribute to a greener future, energy-efficient doors deliver on all fronts. Dallas residents who make the switch are not just upgrading their homes, they're upgrading their lifestyle.